Now I'll run you through how to clear the error code here on the chlorinator box. So you press and hold down the select button. Now this will take nearly 30 or 20 to 30 seconds for an alternative menu to show. When you get to this menu now, you want to go down to operating hours. What this is going to do is tell us the chlorinator operating hours and the cell operating hours. Now that checked salt cell error always flags when the cell hours is above 6,000. So a way to reset that is obviously by hitting select, which we've just done, and that resets the cell hours, and that clears the error message on the chlorinator box. So you select it again just for the sake of it, and then you push menu twice to get back to your normal screen. So if you replace your salt cell, because it says check cell on here, and you still got the error message, that's how you clear it. I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman.